Here we are in Farmington Hills. Hang on, Jim. I'm going to have them film this, so I'm not even sure if this is going to be clogged or not. So we are here with a customer had a leaky basement plus a structural situation where we installed 16 fortress strips. But I want to show you this bleeder here. Go ahead, Jim. Open it up and see where we're at. The bleeder's the pipe. Go slow so they can see. Okay, stop. As you can see, right here, this is completely clogged. Wow. This is the actual pea stone from the outside. Over the years, it pushes through the pipes. Then this pipe actually goes out to what is called a gravity-fed system. So this bleeder line is completely clogged. When we're done, everything will run into the sub pump, which is perforated and pumped out far enough away from the house to create a dry and healthy living environment. Is that right, Tim?
That's right.
All right, buddy. All right. Wait for the camera, guys.